What's up guys, Broken Solar Panel here, and here's another update on the mini Thunderbolt siren, which I've been putting off for a while. Finally got back on it after making the mini SD10. I made a new blower for it. See if I can get a view of the blower. I should have taken it apart first. Take this off. Anyway, you can see the blower, it's like lighter gray there. It was 3D printed on that 3D printer with the gray material that I got. And if you can see in there, it's got a different blower. And it's supposed to mimic a air mattress blower. So it blows a little harder in theory, so it's able to make it probably a little bit louder. So I'm going to see again if I can drown out the Megablaster Jr. with this thing, but with its new blower. I also rejigged the rotator, like I said in the mini SD10 video. I rejigged the rotator so it rotates at a much more realistic speed. And here's the demo. As you can tell, it's a bit louder now. Oh wait, I can't show you the rotator. But what I tried to do is I made a second gearbox, so it has 2 gearboxes in it now. So that way it just kind of halves the speed. And now it runs on a little motor that's only about like half the size of the original motor that was in there. So yeah. And the motor is now running on 9 volts DC or 7.5 volts DC or something like that. The rotator motor is. Alright, now we're going to do a little test. Can the mini Thunderbolt drown out the Megablaster Jr. from about the same distance? The horns are almost lined up. The rotators will remain off for this test, so that way we can get an accurate comparison. Or just seeing if the mini Thunderbolt can drown out the Megablaster Jr. with its new blower. Is the mini Thunderbolt really the best tornado siren? Let's see. The real Thunderbolt, yes, it's the best tornado siren, but is this little hunk of plastic better than the Megablaster Jr.? Let's see. First I'll fire them both off individually so you can hear what they sound like. Then I'll fire them both off and see what happens. Well, I can kind of tell from downstairs. The mini Thunderbolt was a bit louder than the Megablaster Jr. Now let's do a test with rotation. One with the Megablaster Jr. and one with the mini Thunderbolt. And see what they sound like in this atmosphere. You hear that glitch with the megablaster Junior earlier? I don't think that was the collector rings failing. I think that's the whole circuit thing. So no, that wasn't a collector ring failure. I think that was a power mishap with the control box. But the Mega Thunderbolt roared true and hard and something, and it worked beautifully. All it needs is a capacitor in the chopper circuit. And then it'll have a wind up and a wind down. It also needs controls so the whole thing doesn't run on 3 AC adapters. The Mega Blaster Junior only uses one. Probably not a 100% accurate test because Mini SD10 isn't 100% up to speed, but it is pretty close. Broken solar panel, signing off.